In this video, I will show you a few elements of Google assessment forms that could be used to make a summative assessment for a unit. So I'm going to click here on Assessment in Google Forms. And there are a lot of options. There's a lot you can do with this. So I'm going to focus in on just a few elements. So real quick, I'm going to go through and delete some of these boxes that automatically show up in the template. And to delete boxes, you simply just press the garbage can here, wherever it is. It's usually down here at the bottom on a couple of them. It's on the side here. Okay, so here's where you can type the title of your assessment and either a description or some instructions. To the right, you will see where you make all of your choices. So this plus sign up here is how you can add a question, and it'll pop in a multiple choice question, but you can choose from multiple choice simply by clicking up on this drop down menu here. You can choose from multiple choice. You can choose the check boxes where it's check all that apply. You can have a short answer question, paragraph question, or a drop down menu option. So real quick, I'll show you multiple choice. The check boxes is very similar to multiple choice, so I won't go too far into that. So multiple choice, you type the question up here. Here's one option. To add more options, you click on add option or add another, and you can add as many as you would like. Check boxes is another option where they can actually check more than one answer. Multiple choice is just one answer. If you have a question and you want to duplicate it, there's a very easy way to do that right down here. And if you would like Google Forms to shuffle the order of the answers for you, you can do that by clicking on these three dots. You can do that with the multiple choice questions as well. Now, I would like to focus on adding a video because I think it's really cool that you can make an assessment with a video embedded in it, which is not something that we can do with a piece of paper. So I'm going to click here on add video. And you can search YouTube here, but I find it easier to go to YouTube directly and find the video I want. And then I'll copy the URL. And then I have to click up here on URL. I can't copy it or paste it into the YouTube search. So click on URL, paste here. It will show up. You can be sure it's the right one. Select. Now, what's really cool is if this assessment was about temporal words, I can have this video here, and students can watch it. And then they can retell it using the paragraph form of a question. Please retell the story of the tortoise and the hare. Now students can just type a longer answer down here. Those are just a few things that you can do in the assessment form. I encourage you to get on yourself and do some exploring if you do have access to Google Forms, because I think you might find it helpful. I hope that this video was helpful and provided you with a little more information as to how you could use Google Forms with your students.